How to edit text in YT Create application. Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can edit your text in YT Create application. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. Open the YT Create application. You have to select the desired project. Let me select the old project from there, and you can see I have already added the text there. You can see this text. Now you can see if I tap on this text, I will get the option of the edit. So I can just simply tap right here on the edit and I will be able to edit my text. So let me tap on edit and you can see here is the text, my old text. Now I can just remove the old text and I can add my new one. So let me tap my new text. After that you have to tap on this circle, and now you can see your text will be changed and it can be edited. Now you have to tap on the done, and you can see that this text will be changed from my text to my new text. So this is how you can easily edit text on your YT Create application. Hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.